Hey guys, it's Mac and Jack. Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by and watching this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. If you like DIY and sewing videos, that is what we upload every single week together. Today's video is a very easy sewing tutorial. It shouldn't take you more than 30 minutes and it doesn't require a lot of fabric. What we're making today is a face mask scarf. Isn't this so adorable with the dogs on it? I got this fabric from Joann and I got half a yard, I believe, but I ended up getting way too much. And this is also a fleece fabric, so it'll be really warm to wear, and it's so cold out today. So this is a perfect tutorial for today, and it gets really cold where I live, so I've really been wanting to make one of these. I made a video about a year ago that was a face mask scarf, but it was sort of like a bandana type tutorial that ties in the back, and this one is just sewn on both sides. So I mean, it's really easy to follow, and I'll show you guys how to make it, but let me show you guys what it looks like on. So there's a dog right here, but yeah, this is what it looks like on, and it'll keep almost your entire face warm. And my nose gets so cold in the wintertime. I don't know why my nose gets so freezing cold, but it does. So I think I'm gonna make some more of these because these are gonna be so great to wear. But I think it's so awesome and such a great item to have in your closet if it gets really cold out. And you can pull it down like this and wear it as a scarf. So if you don't want to put it, you know, over your nose or your mouth, you can just do this. And it's great for flu season. Of course, I had to make a matching top, which I've had this top already, and it's a flannel material, so it's a little bit different than this one. This one's a larger print, but it's still the same print. But I mean, I just, you know me, I'm so extra with my clothes, and I have to just match everything. My skirt doesn't match, it's not the exact same print, but yes, I just think this is so cute, and I love all the dogs on it. Look, they all have like little sunglasses on. You can tell more from this print. It's got all these different dogs, and it's so colorful. I love it. Anyways, so yes, if you want to know how to make this super easy face mask scarf, then just stay tuned and I'll show you guys how I made it.